So meet our newest Centenarian, Louise Williams. Friends and church members gathered to show appreciation to the Portland's oldest Centenarian, Louise Williams, who was full of energy during the brief celebration earlier this week. Williams, a widow who celebrated her 104th birthday recently, was joined by members of middle-agers group in Port Antonio during the festivities that were held at her home in Folly. Senior Citizens Council parish organizer for Portland, Patricia Gayle, disclosed that currently the parish has many senior citizens, with at least 15 persons who have attained 100 years or more. The council continues to celebrate senior citizens. So many young persons are here to celebrate her milestone, and the council continues to salute those seeing to needs of our senior citizens, commented Gayle. We continue to embrace and respect our elders because they are the foundation of our lives, and it is because of them we are here. Marketing manager of Portland Credit Union, Anthony Morrison, presented Williams with a plaque while pointing out that this gesture was done on behalf of all Portlanders. Lifelong friend, 94-year-old Vivia Bailey, also presented Williams with a gift basket on behalf of middle-agers. A citation was also presented to the Centenarian by retired teacher Dennis Patton, who also brought greetings. Williams, who is still very alert and jovial, spoke at length about her childhood days while urging young men to support their wives to the best of their abilities. I love both my parents, but overall, my mother was my favorite. My parents shared an excellent relationship, and father was very respectful towards my mother and us as children, recalled the Centenarian. She continued, my dad was a wonderful man. He was poor, but he had a heart of gold. Men, when you are wrong, you are wrong. Accept it and humble yourself. We need to trust God and pray for guidance in our marriage. We are human and we must learn to forgive. With everything that's going on in Jamaica right now, as far as killings is concerned, 2017 has broken records as far as killing is concerned. It's good to see someone that have lived such a long life and is still very jovial and jovial, and I feel like more Centenarians need to be celebrated because that is a major milestone, and I only hope I can be a person that reaches that milestone when I'm older. But as far as Louise Williams is concerned, big ups to her and big up to all her family. I hope everybody continue to take care of her and have her best interest at heart. Please don't stress this woman out like you guys did the last one. Please, I'm begging. Because that was very sad to see how it played out in the media as far as family members are concerned. And I feel like they need to big up all the Centenarians that are in most of the parish, because they're definitely the foundation for our life and for Jamaica. Without them, we wouldn't have no Jamaica. So big ups to all our Centenarians, big up to all our elders, and big up to everybody that has lived a long life. More power to you. So I want my subscribers in the comment section to wish Miss Louise Williams a happy 104th birthday, and also tell me if you think that our Centenarians need to be celebrated more in Jamaica, and what do you think our government can do to celebrate these people more. And also, do you think that they need to give a special shout out to everybody in the newspaper, whether it's the Gleaner Star or Observer, of everybody that turns 100 years old in Jamaica? I would love for that to happen. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about that. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. And if you have any family members that is actually 100, big them up, love them, and listen to everything that they have to say, because they're very wise people.